Welcome back. Now we're switching up our shoes this season as we look at the most popular trainer trends for the year.
I love them tongue twisters. They make me so happy. Stylist Mandy Maher joins us now with some of her top picks. Good morning.
Good morning
Mandy.
to you both. We are so going on a shopping trip after this fashion slot this morning, after that conversation, for sure. We're talking about the ultimate, to me, wardrobe piece, and that is all about trainers.
And even to look at you, now I'll annoy everyone referencing your shoes, but gold runners, like they can be so dressy and go with the tailored look like you've worn today.
And this is what it's just an ultimate, I think, outfit statement, and they're massive. They're always been around for the last couple of years, we know that, but they're still very much on trend, whether it's dressy, whether it's casual. I just think they're the ultimate piece to have on any outfit.
Shall we see Sarah's look? And we're going to start with her trainers first. So let's see what you've gone for.
So for this, I kind of went for, we hear a lot about these words called the quiet luxury, and I think this is exactly what this actually very much said. These are from Arnott's, and I'm loving them because, of course, they're definitely very much the trend of the quiet luxury, of the beiges, the creams, the whites, and they will absolutely go with everything, and that's what I love about trainers like this. They're fashionable, yet they're making the statement, but yet they're going to go with everything. That's what I love about these.
Beautiful. Are they comfy though? I've got fallen arches.
Oh, is that why you wear orthopedic?
Okay, there you go. There's the answer on that one. They are very, very comfortable, for sure. They are. And that's the one thing about trainers. It's rare you'll get a trainer that are not going to be comfortable.
Yeah.
But
tell us what you've teamed it with.
We teamed it up then with this very much probably like a Savari style look, but I'm loving it again. We're starting off with this great shirt. Again, like that, I'm always a big fan when you're styling outfits. What have you got in your wardrobe that can already go with pieces that we're showcasing, or indeed that you can mix and match? I'm a big mix and match woman for fashion, big time. Love this shirt. Again, like that, it is something you can wear all year round, not just this time round for spring, summer.
You can't not mention the glasses. They're so funky.
Oh, the glass for sure. Then we're
just go for the trousers.
Well, with the trousers, we're seeing a lot of these style trousers. They are in the khaki green, which again, like that, is a very much a statement colour for the season. But the shortness of them, the actual length, this is what we're going to be seeing as all the crop length.
Oh, right. Great for trainers.
Oh, absolutely. And this is a huge trend for the season. And I love them. I love the fit on these particular trousers. They're high-waisted, super comfortable.
Beautiful. And as Brooke mentioned there, these Tom Ford glasses.
I'm loving Brooke. I'm loving Brooke right now because we all know Mother's Day is on Sunday. Hint, hint at home if anyone's listening on the sunglasses here. These are Tom Ford. They're definitely a statement sunglass for sure, but I love them. And they're funky, they're different, and again, super stylish at the same time.
My mum might be scared of the lens on those, I think.
Yeah, not for everyone, but they are cool. And then very quickly, gorgeous necklace.
And went there for a gorgeous, beautiful statement necklace, then just again to bring the whole look together.
Beautiful. Igna is next up with us, and let's see these trainers. We had a quick look at these earlier on the hour.
We actually did, and this is definitely very much for me, very much on the summer vibes. And again, this full look is from Arnott's, but I'm loving the trainers on this because we can see a little bit of sparkle. We all love a little bit of sparkle for sure. And again, if the camera can pick it up, they're slightly two-toned. You can see a slight piece of the blush at the front, and then of course I got the silver, the gold. Loving this. And again, what is great about these, if you're going to an occasion, I think these shoes could actually really, really work. Yeah. Because not everyone can wear heels, or maybe later on in the evening you want to change into a heel. That's what's great about these.
Very neat. Tell us about the shirt then that you've paired it with.
Yeah, so then the shirt and skirt, again, like that, we wanted all about colour, it's all about summer, and I'm loving this because, again, like that, we've seen lots of print coming through. It's a mixture of the stripe with the flower print, loving the colour mix on this.
Stunning.
Yeah, the orange and pink work really, really well, don't they?
Yeah, it really does. It's like pink and reds.
Yeah, absolutely.
Orange gorgeous.
And again, it's elastic waist skirt, and we have the all-important pocket as well.
Sold.
Yeah, it's great, isn't it? Absolutely.
Very nice. And then the bag that we can just pick up on there?
Yeah, and then we went with this, again, it's a very dressy, very stylish bag, but again, you can wear it during the daytime if you want to, or indeed if you want to wear it out at night, and that's what I love about bags like this. You'll have them forever.
Lovely.
Kurt Geiger's always the multicoloured, so it's interesting to see.
Yeah, kind of a neutral. Yeah, they always go rainbowy.
For sure.
You've popped a scarf over the shoulder there?
Yeah, and then I went with a scarf because I was we were debating how we would actually style the scarf, and we just decided just to leave it on one side. And I love it because it kind of just adds a little bit of something extra, you know, so because we kept obviously the accessories very minimal, but I like the scarf as well. But of course, obviously, you can tie it or style it in various ways.
Yeah, and speaking of the accessories, beautiful little hoops here. You didn't go wild, just quite delicate with the jewellery.
I kept all the jewellery very layered, and this is all from the Linnet jewellery. What I love about these is that it's so affordable. And as I mentioned earlier on, we have Mother's Day this weekend. Lovely, great gift ideas. But and there's little mum written on the chains as well. But of course, like that, Keep the jewellery simple when you're wearing an outfit like this, because the outfit itself is such a statement. Absolutely, because otherwise you'll overkill it if you go too much with bling with the jewellery, for sure.
Yeah,
cool on Daniela.
I know, I'm loving this. This is definitely a me vibe. Absolutely love it. But sure, listen, when we're showing trainers, we've showed kind of the more neutral colours on what I've seen so far, but I'm loving these. They're, to me, kind of like a strawberry pink. Definitely very much. They're not going to be for everybody on the colour.
Have you left a tag on, or
no, I didn't. No, I did not leave a tag on. It's actually part of it.
Oh, I couldn't see.
Yeah,
okay,
no, it's actually part of it. Aren't they super?
They actually are. It's like an adult take on Polly pocket shoes. Remember them?
Yeah, I can actually see you in these.
Nelly
really
Kelly's.
could.
Yeah, the Nelly, exactly. Yeah.
And they're
Very
great.
cool.
I just think they're funky, they're fun, they're adding, of course, the pop of colour to the full look. And they work really well, and they
nice.
actually are super comfortable.
Now, if we go to Daniela's baseball cap, the Frankie shop, that's kind of known for being oversized, but they do baseball caps as well.
They do indeed. They do great accessories. And again, like that, it was about bringing the whole look together and having a little bit of fun with it, and they went for the baseball cap. I love them. I wear a lot of baseball caps, actually, because I do a lot of walking. But I just think it's nice, it's funky, it's different.
My fleece this morning was American Vintage. You were asking where I got my fleece, and that's where you went to get this?
Yeah,
the colours are gorgeous.
Beautiful
it's
colours
kind of an
American
oversized
Vintage.
knit, but I'm loving it's that cashmere feel. Loving the braid. It's just, obviously you can pop a little t-shirt underneath if you wanted to, but we left it as is. But I'm loving the colour in particular.
And
it's a
then
super shade of
the
pink.
grey scarf, is that cashmere as well? That looks so
That is
cozy.
cashmere as well. Isn't it lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
And again, like that, it's about how are you styling. We could vary that scarf in loads of ways for styling, but we just kept it really, really simple.
Salsa jeans. I remember when these first came on the market and they were all about sucking you in and pushing your butt up. But they're doing these oversized slightly as well, the wide leg. Gorgeous.
And the relaxed look, Karen, which is actually unusual for the salsa, but look at the fit on them. And they're absolutely superb. I love a good pair of jeans. They're just something you will always have. A major wardrobe staple for me are jeans, for sure.
This bag is giving me, this whole look is giving me like Paul's Boutique or like the 90s Paris Hilton. This whole thing.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Actually,
Yeah, I'm loving this. And of course, this is the oversized shopper bag. Listen, we're getting ready to go, whether you're going shopping or indeed we're going to go travelling. I think this is a great bag to have, because you can carry the laptop, you can carry all the bits that you will need
carry a lot in there.
Yeah, you actually
That's
can.
one of the biggest
Roll
bags
and
I've ever
fold.
seen.
That full look is actually from Brown Thomas this morning as well, but I'm loving it, and it's just giving something a little bit different as well.
Cool.
Absolutely. And we're actually staying with Brown Thomas with this particular look. And again,
lovely, yes. These trainers, monochrome.
So again, you were saying, we were going on earlier, we were actually having a little kind of an argument earlier on who was the tallest between the two of us. It was funny. So I'm loving these two. We both like something with a little bit of height. I think I would actually.
We're going to measure each other after. I think I'm taller.
But I'm loving these, because they obviously, because like that, sometimes trainers, because they are flat people, like a little bit of height, which this is exactly what this is doing with the platform effect on these. And again, like that, they're obviously dressed today, we're a little bit more casually looking, but you can easily wear those again in the evening time if you wanted to.
Very nice. Talk to us about this top that you've gone for.
Yeah, and then the top itself, it's a very simple top. Of course, like that, again, you could style it inside or out. We kept it with that more oversizing finishing. I just think it works nicer.
Kind of peasant style, isn't it?
Isn't it?
That
Yeah,
kind of
and that's exactly what we're going to be seeing quite a bit of, and it has a lot of that embroidery going on as well.
What you call pleated skirt.
Yeah, then we went with the flared. Yeah, we went with the flared skirt then for something a little bit different. And this is why we went with these type of styles this morning. We want to showcase to people how versatile trainers can be, because some people are terrified of them. All I can say is they can go with absolutely anything, as we see here with the different looks that we've shown this morning as well.
Great little fringing on the bag as well. There.
Yeah, I'm loving this. A gorgeous Maj bag. I love it. And again, like that, listen, you can never go wrong with handbags. We're all a fan of handbags, but that you'll have it forever.
That's and our wee Masoma earrings.
And exactly. And then we, again, like that, we just layered out the pieces of jewellery. Got the gorgeous little hoops, little chains then matching. And as I said, with Mother's Day coming, we're all sorted for the weekend as well. But I'm loving the looks. And as I said, trainers, definitely get them, because you can never go wrong with them, for sure.
That's it. Don't be afraid to wear them with your dressy gear.
No. Absolutely, for sure.
No. Okay, you're going to have to take off those.
No, we're going on a shopping spree. I'm telling you, that's it. We're sorted.
All right, grand. There we go. We're going shopping. And we're going to measure and see who's taller after.
Go back to back in this break.
Thank you so much,
Thank you both. Thank you.
Okay, coming up next, from rosé to red, we are talking all things wine.
We're back with you after this break.